there's no, like there's the island there.
Yeah, it turns into like a one-way, dude.
Yeah.
So they turn left onto the wrong side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Drive up for a bit, then they get into the lane.
And we'll turn right at the lights. Right on. So we covered everything here. We got your parallel. We did your front and reverse parking, 3-point turn, roadside stop, and then just basically. Yeah, I like driving around the city like this with hours 7 and 8 when they're back to back. We can get more done, and for some people who are not familiar with Sudbury too much, it helps them familiarize them, with different scenarios, different areas of town, different intersections that they might not encounter in New Sudbury. So,
yeah, no.
We did your highway driving, merging. I guess maybe because it snowed yesterday, maybe.
Yeah.
Like I saw the sign there back there, says the trail is closed, but it doesn't appear like anybody really cares.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, I bet it's around here.
Over here. Oh yeah. There was an accident somewhere in Garson about 4 years ago. I think he was like 19. He jumped the snowbank in front of a transport. Did you hear about that? Yeah. Yeah, right. Instantly killed. I feel bad for the driver of the transport. I mean,
can't do anything about that.
There's nothing you can do about that. Just a freak accident. I mean, the kid should have known better than to, just jump right out.
Sad.
Yeah. It's funny, I never noticed those two do not enter signs there. I'm sure they've been there for a long time, too.
Oh, yeah. I'm actually surprised I've never seen someone pull in there.
I've never seen that either. You'd think it'd be like common knowledge.
I hope so.
A lot of the signs are there for nighttime, though. Nighttime driving.
Yeah, because a lot of stuff looks different at night.
Yeah. You get the glare from people's headlights. Have you ever driven at night?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't like driving at night anymore.
I don't either. If I don't need to, I won't.
Yeah, you do. It's less visible. You're less visible. And
exactly, and then you got all these brand new cars, and they all have the very bright headlights.
They do.
You go and give them a blink because you think that they're on their highs, and you're blind and you can't see, and then they just blink you back. They're not even on
LED
highs.
ones.
Yeah.
And you get the glare of the headlights in your mirror.
Mm-hmm.
You know this thing right here?
Yeah.
That dims the lights. Magic mirror.
That actually does it?
Yeah, there's like it dims the headlights of the vehicles behind you, but you can still see.
Yeah, I had no clue about that.
Yeah, that's for daytime. That's for nighttime.
I had no clue.
Man. Is there a turning lane here? No.
No.
Wow.
Yeah, you should see the amount of people that go over the shoulder here, almost
Yeah.
send it into the rocks.
This is dangerous.
Oh yeah. Yep, they going on that side, not on this side.
I'm surprised actually they don't have one there. Huh. It's probably safer for you to take the first
Yeah,
entryway.
that's if there's usually like during winter or if it's raining or something, and I see that there's someone
Yeah.
close behind you, you just turn over there.
Okay. Yeah, better to be safe than sorry.
Oh
Is that a sauna?
yeah. It used to be. It
That
used
is
to be a
so
sauna,
neat.
and then my mom changed it into her little. It's like her little flower thing there.
Yeah, eh?
Yeah, holds all her stuff.
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
Alrighty.
There we go.
Park and braking gauge.
Park and braking gauge, yes. Okay. Have you booked your last 2 hours yet, or do you still have to do that?
Yeah, I did. January 4th.
Oh yeah, you said
Yeah.
January 4th. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, it's just the mock road test and then a final assessment, and
Mhm.
you're done.
Yep.
What's the odometer reading?
76468.
There you go. All right, Jacob.
Thank
Enjoy
you
the
very
rest of your
much.
holidays there, and
Yes.
I'll see you on the 4th, man.
No, yes.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
We'll see you then.
You betcha. Bye bye.
Bye bye.